How to change the background color in CapCut. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can change the background color in CapCut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your CapCut application and tap on New Project. Now select the pictures you want. Once you are on this page, here you can see my background color is black by default. So in order to change it, search for the background option from the bottom toolbar. Click on it and here you will see three different options. So in order to change the background color, click on color option. Now finally from here you can select any color for your background as your choice. For example, I will select the white color. Click on apply to all option in order to add the selected color for the background for all pictures. Once you are done, click on checkmark option and that's it. In this easy and simple way, you can change the background color in CapCut. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.